The one with the jewel tone. Oh, so murder spelled backwards.
Yeah.
I mean, I have nothing against tattoos, but if you're going to get a tattoo, make sure it's not while you're intoxicated.
Yeah.
All right. And who is the prosecutor in this case?
Excuse me, I don't understand.
How far did you go in school?
In ninth grade.
Okay. I think she may need an evaluation.
Yes, sure.
So what have you done on probation other than pick up new cases? Do not, when you get out, go running to be with your children, because at this point in stage, you haven't been a mother to them.
Oh boy, this one's rough. We've got an entitled brat who acts like a 10-year-old who couldn't care less about right or wrong. She can't even hold it together long enough to be a decent mom, and now the judge has to talk to her like a toddler. It's painful to watch. She's allergic to accountability, and every word out of her mouth just proves it. The courtroom's tense, the judge's patience are wearing thin, and the excuses are endless. It's not just embarrassing, it's sad because her kids deserve better than this cycle of chaos. How do you fix someone who doesn't even see the problem? Let's go ahead and dive in.
Offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle, that's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, state is recommending deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration county court cause number 687-991, 696-305, grand jury number 777-818. There's restitution, if any, to Ralph Sanchez and no contact with Ralph Sanchez. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes,
Next,
sir.
I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution, CATS 1 and 2, and moral recognition therapy. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offense as charged in the information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No comment.
State, any evidence?
Yes, state offer states exhibit 1 and attachment. No objection.
Are you proceeding to sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, I just asked that the court follow the agreement. This argument does, I think, want to do probation, so I think it's a great opportunity for her to maybe get some things together. And that's it.
All right. Do you have any children?
I do have 2 baby girls, a 4-year-old and a 3-year-old,
Where are they?
with their father.
Why are they not with you?
Because 2 years ago, I had a fallout with drugs. So he decided to go ahead and take baby girls. I wasn't in my right mind. I was actually like going through like mental health problems, emotions as well. But everything is well now, like with me and my brothers and with the father.
All right. When's the last time you had employment?
About like 2 months ago,
Doing what?
I was cabinetry, a nation's cabinetry.
How far did you go in school?
Up to 10th grade.
Why didn't you graduate?
I had moved to where is it, Detroit, Michigan.
And what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
I'm not sure. I really do want to get my GED though.
Okay. And what drugs have you been using in the past?
In the past, I did meth for 2 weeks. I had got involved with it for the full 2 weeks for the fact that I was on, and when I tried it for the first time, I didn't know how to stop from it because I was awake. I was awake and I was up for all those days, and I stayed up for 2 weeks straight, and I was scared to get back on. Like I honestly, I was scared. I was losing my mother and everything just by thinking she was talking to me and things like that. And
Okay. And what's the tattoo on your cheek? The one with the jewel tone?
right here,
Yes. What is that tattoo?
oh, it's right now. I was very drunk when I got it. I tried to take it off.
What does it
and
say?
It's not so down.
Oh, so murder spelled backwards.
Yes, but I'm not. I can't even feel a roach without wanting to throw up.
Okay. So, and what is up with this gun that's tattooed on your neck?
Yeah, that was okay. I was drunk. I got this, and one. Oh, this one right here. Like you can't even tell what it is.
This might be one of the most chaotic defendants I've ever seen. Her drug history alone is bad enough, but now she's back in court acting like it's just another Tuesday. How do you have 2 kids and still live like a walking cautionary tale? She talks about her drug use like it's a fun story, not a crime. The tattoos, the laughs, the lack of remorse. It's all one long performance of bad choices. She's been in chaos for so long she thinks it's normal, but it's not. It's heartbreaking. The worst part is the judge is offering her a lifeline, and instead of grabbing it, she's smiling through her own downfall.
Okay, so that was done while you were intoxicated?
Yes, this happened about 6 years ago.
Okay. And where is your family?
My family, my mom, she's doing her thing. She works. She's going through a divorce actually right now. My kid's father, he works. He's going to college. He goes to college. Baby girl, she's in school. My oldest, and they're doing fine. They're good.
All right. So here's the thing. They want you to take cats 1 and 2. I'm going to give you conditions that hopefully will help you. So I'm going to give you cats 1 and 2 right now. I'm going to make you take the moral recognition therapy, but here's cats 1 and 2. Don't steal. Don't take what doesn't belong to you. And as a side to the class that I give people, the other thing is don't go to a place unless that person who owns the place or has control of the place invites you. Don't go if a third person invites you. And if you do show up at some place and someone who invited you asks you to leave, leave. If you follow those rules, you will do just fine. And here's another rule as a side note. In my experience, I've discovered that nothing good happens after midnight. You have children, you need to make sure you're home before midnight. If you're home before midnight, usually nothing bad will happen. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The moral recognition therapy, my understanding, that's to tell you to do what's right. It's something that people should have learned in preschool, kindergarten, or at least first grade. So when they give you that moral recognition therapy, I'm sure it's going to talk to you about not taking things that don't belong to you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so this is what we're going to do. It's going to be 3 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Take in consideration County Court Cause number 687991, 696305, Grand Jury number 777818, restitution and no contact with Ralph Sanchez. I'm going to do the UA hotline, and she needs to test at least once a week. I'm going to want sober meetings, 90 meetings in 90 days. We're going to do a TAP evaluation. Whatever the TAP evaluation recommends, we're going to start with intensive outpatient treatment. I'm going to want field visits 2 times per month. The MRT course, 120 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. Parenting classes, triple T. Once you complete that, the entirety of the community service hours will be waived. Proof of employment within 30 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And there should be no unsupervised contact with minors. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need from me in order to be successful?
Everything, the addresses and everything's on there, right?
I'm sorry, what?
All the addresses to attend the.
Oh, they're gonna give it to you. Probation will let you know, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
In this court, communication is key to be successful on probation. I require that people report. Don't turn up missing. You understand? We can go off the record. Good luck to you. I mean, I have nothing against tattoos, but if you're going to get a tattoo, make sure it's not while you're intoxicated.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good.
The fact that the judge has to remind her not to touch things that aren't hers says it all. That's something you learn at age 4, not as a grown adult facing charges. It's embarrassing and honestly sad. Watching this feels like seeing someone get grounded, except the stakes are years of their life. The judge gives her deferred adjudication, a second chance most people never get. Basically, prove you can behave and walk clean. But judging by her attitude, she's not taking it seriously. It's mercy on a silver platter, but she's treating it like a suggestion.
And are you Destiny Argumeta?
No, ma'am.
Well, Amanda
Yes,
Destiny
ma'am.
Argumeta. All right, I'm showing you what's entitled motion to revoke. I'm sorry?
Judge, really quickly, sorry to interrupt. Defense and I had spoken, I think defense had filed a motion for competency eval.
Mhm.
That's what we wanted to approach on.
So where are we on the competency?
I filed the motion. I don't know that anything has happened.
All right, when was the motion filed?
I believe it was early part of last week.
Oh, then,
Right.
okay, thank you. All right, so it's been referred to magistrate's court. So, Ms. Ferguson, I need a reset on this. Can you let the magistrate know that she doesn't need an informal inquiry, that she just needs an evaluation?
Your Honor, we'd actually, in speaking with the prosecutor and with my client, we'd actually like to withdraw that motion.
Are you,
We're on the record then.
Amanda, are you,
Destiny
Amanda,
Argumeta?
or Destiny
Yes, ma'am.
Argumeta? Can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Do you know, who your attorney is? Do you know, who your attorney is? Who's your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's your attorney? Okay, what's her first name? Okay, what's her first name?
Sorry.
Can you point to your attorney? Who's your attorney? Can you point to your attorney? Who's your attorney? Have you had a chance to discuss her and discuss your case? Have you had a chance to discuss her and discuss your case? What are you on probation for? What are you on probation for?
Unauthorized use of vehicle.
All right. And who is the prosecutor in this case? And who is the prosecutor in this case?
I am.
No, who is
I am?
actually, no, who is actually, that you violated the conditions of your probation? That you violated the conditions of your probation?
Excuse me, I don't understand. Excuse me, I don't understand.
How far did you go in school? All right. How far did you go in school? Okay.
Ninth
All
grade.
right. Do you, all right. You're on probation. Do you understand that? You're
Yes,
on
ma'am.
probation. Do you understand that? You understand? You told me you're on probation for.
You
understand? You told me you're on probation for an
Yes, ma'am.
authorized use of a vehicle. What is your range of
Yes,
punishment?
ma'am.
What is your range of
It
punishment?
was 2 years of probation. 2 years of probation. Granting classes.
All right, if I were to send you to prison or to the state jail facility, how much time to the state jail facility, how much time could I give you? Okay. So,
2 years.
Okay. With regards to motion to revoke,
Yes.
this motion to revoke, prove to the court, who has to prove that you didn't do what you were supposed to do, that you didn't do what you were supposed to do on a motion to revoke?
Myself.
I'm sorry?
Myself.
I'm sorry?
Myself.
Okay. I think she may need an evaluation. I think she may need an evaluation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So this is going to be set for a evaluation. This is going to be set for a evaluation. Ms. Ferguson, what date can we bring this back? All right. So we're going to recall it back for June 15th. So we're going to recall it back for June 15th. You will again just let them know that there's no need for just let them know that there's no need for the court is requesting inquiry that the evaluation be done.
Argumeta, can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett, head Your Honor.
Defense? And are you Mr. I'm
And
sorry,
are you Miss
Argumeta? I'm
Yes,
sorry,
ma'am.
are you Miss
Yes, ma'am.
Argumeta? All right,
Yes,
I'm going to show
ma'am.
you what's
Yes,
entitled motion to enter
I'm going to show you
adjudication
what's
of guilt and
entitled
revoke
motion to enter
community
adjudication
supervision.
of guilt and
Did you
revoke
review that
community
document with
supervision.
your attorney?
Did you review that document with your attorney? Did
Yes,
you
Your Honor.
understand it and did you sign
Are
it?
you the same
Yes,
Amanda Argumeta who Are was you the placed on same deferred Amanda adjudication Argumeta
in
who was placed on deferred
2022
adjudication in 2022 CR for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on December 6, 2022 for a period of 3 years? Is that you? For a
Yes,
period
Your
of
Honor.
3 years. Is that you? State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Violated condition number one.
State?
On or about the
Violated
23rd
condition
day
number
of
one,
March
on or about the
2023
23rd
of
day of
County,
March
Texas.
2023. Defendant Amanda
County, Texas.
Defendant Amanda
Argumeta.
Ghetto. Okay, I can't say that.
Argumeta.
Committed the
Okay.
offense of theft, 2,500.
Committed the offense of theft,
2,500
2,500
to
to
30,000
30,000
How do you plead to that, true or not true? How do you plead to that, true or not true?
The remaining
Sure.
violated conditions. Your Honor,
Any
we waive the remaining
objections?
violated conditions.
Any objection to the waivers?
What we're asking.
To the waivers? Any
What we're
objections to the
asking-
waivers?
No.
Any objections to the
Miss
waivers?
Argumeta, did
All
you
right,
understand by
Miss
pleading true to
Argumeta,
violation
did you
of
understand
condition
by
number
pleading
one?
true to violation of
The court could find
condition
it true,
number one?
grant the motion,
The court could
find you
find it
guilty,
true, grant the
sentence you
motion
up to
find
2
you
years
guilty,
into the state jail
sentence you up to 2
facility
years
and up
into
to
the state jail
$10,000
facility
fine
and
and
up
up
to
to
$10,000 fine.
Knowing
Did
that,
you
do you
understand?
still wish to
Yes,
plead
Your
true to
Honor.
Knowing that,
violation
do
of
you still
condition
wish
number
to
one?
plead true to violation of condition number
Yes,
one?
Your Honor.
Court would find violation of
Yes, Your Honor.
condition number
Court would
one.
find
True.
violation of
Is there an
condition number
agreement?
one.
No, there's not,
True.
Your Honor.
Is there an
Well,
agreement?
that didn't
there's
last
not, Your Honor.
long. She's already back in court, still laughing. She's already back in court, court still fix someone who refuses to learn. You can't fix someone who refuses to learn. Honestly, I don't blame them. She said every chance and wasted all of them. She said every chance and wasted all of them. Turns out she only made it to the ninth grade. Turns out she only made it to the ninth grade in that same mindset ever since. She's been stuck in that same mindset ever since. Full evaluation because either she's pretending to be clueless, or she really is. And to top it off, she violated probation again for theft. You've got to be seriously disconnected from reality. You've got to be seriously disconnected from reality.
State, what are you requesting?
Revocation, Your
State,
Honor.
what are you requesting? Defense, what are you requesting? Defense, what are you requesting?
There was an agreement. Your Honor, there was an agreement in that they were going to TIC and dismiss the.
That is correct.
She is requesting the court. She is requesting probation to allow her to stay on probation. I can't get around. I can't get around here. With 4 documents, their certificates of classes, certificates of classes in the as we said earlier, Your Honor, this young lady had been evaluated for competency, was found competent, wants to stay on probation, what she would like to do is have you put her in outpatient treatment. At the same time, I've advised her that if you do, there's a high probability there's a high residential drug treatment. She's taken a management class, AA classes, and I don't understand what the other one looks like. It looks like it's for women, a dignity class, and I don't know what the basis for that was.
All right, probation. All right, probation.
Probation, recommendation is to revoke the new felony offense and she absconded with non-compliance.
All right, Miss Agameta, is there anything you wish to say? Agameta, is there anything you wish to say? All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? All right, can you raise your right hand for me? The testimony you give will be the truth, and nothing but the testimony you give will be the truth, and nothing but the truth. So you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record. You can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
And I would like to have a second chance. I will attend the classes. I will attend the classes. I was still everything on my. I was still on my like then, but I am like I'm then. But I am the thought of drugs. Like I did not even want to thought of drugs. Like I did not even want to think of it. Just thinking back and hearing my kids' voice. Just thinking back and hearing my kids' voice. My kid's dad is waiting on getting back with me. My kid's dad is waiting on getting back with me. I just really want to go back to that. I just really want to go back to that. 3 and 4 months.
How old are your children? All right, who's taking care of them?
Their father.
All right, who's taking care of them? So were your parental rights terminated? So were your parental rights terminated? So you just dropped them off with the father? So you just dropped them off with the father?
When I was on drugs. I decided to leave when I was on drugs. I was really bad on them, but I did stop.
All right.
I did stop.
So what have you done on probation other than pick up new cases? So what have you done on probation other than pick up new cases?
Because I did not attend.
No, I mean, have you done anything? No, I mean, have you done anything?
No, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else from either side? Any other questions? Else from either side? Any other questions? All right. You have a question? You have a question?
Why should the judge believe that you're going to do what you believe that you're going to do, and that you said you're going to do, and that you didn't do last time?
Because I'm really committed to it. Because I'm really committed to it. And I apologize for not. And I apologize for not and everything. Going into my probation. I apologize. I'm really committed to doing. I apologize. I'm really committed to doing. To completing at this time.
Previous attorney have you evaluated for competence?
I didn't. She wasn't. I didn't. She wasn't. The case. He didn't even talk about the case, right? And
okay. And you're not on any medication now. And you're not on any medication now in the jail. No. No other questions, Ron.
All right. Any questions from the state? All right. Any questions? What are you requesting? I know you're requesting revocation. I know you're requesting revocation. The court is going to find you guilty. The motion, the court is going to find you guilty. Will not grant you community supervision. And the court will not grant you community supervision. How much time are you asking for? State, how much time are you asking for?
State was requesting 12 months in the state jail facility, Your Honor.
Defense, what are you requesting? Defense, what are you requesting?
116 days in County days in Bear County Jail, and we're asking the court to grant her a request for 6 month sentence.
All right, the court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. 18 months in the state jail facility. Ask that you be placed in the therapeutic community. You're still going to have to request it. Do you understand? You're still going to have to request it. Do you understand? Credit for any time served. We can go off the record. Any time served. So we can go off the record. So I always review everything. I always review everything. Deferred adjudication, and here there were several cases that were. And so the only thing that you've done since you were on probation with me, another theft case. And you're on probation for unauthorized use. You're on probation for unauthorized use on what you want to do with the rest of your life. On what you want to do with the rest of your life. Do not, when you get out, go running to be with your children. Because at this point in stage, you haven't been a mother to them. You haven't been a mother on their doorstep, creating chaos on their doorstep, creating chaos and get your life together. If you can get your life slowly enter their life. Probably slowly enter their life. All right, good luck to you. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, good luck to you. Okay. Asking to stay on probation after breaking it on purpose, but the judge isn't buying it. You can hear it in their tones. Zero faith in her apologies. She says she wants to be there for her kids, but if that wants to be there for her kids, but if that were true, this isn't bad luck. It's bad choices. This isn't bad luck. The judge gives her 18 months, which honestly feels generous. Probation meant to rebuild lives, not probation's meant to rebuild lives, not and she'll probably think she still got off easy. And she'll probably think she still got off easy. Was 18 months fair? What should the judge was 18 months fair? Or should the judge have gone harder? Let me know your take for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe.